I was literally depressed. My brothers and sisters were earning so much. My husband was earning so much. I was the one who was earning like literally in chunks. I went through a lot in my career. I lost my job in lockdown. I got pregnant. I have learned a lot from my family. I have learned to keep on fighting. I believe one day you will get everything, but you just have to work for it and eventually everything will fall into place. I made it to Juniper Networks with a 50% salary hike. My name is Nidhi. I belong from Panipat, so I did my schooling there. I did my BCom honors from Delhi University. After my graduation, I did MBA. I got my first job through campus placement, so I had to move to Bangalore. When I moved to Bangalore, the pandemic hit and the Book My Forex had to scale down its operations, so I couldn't work there anymore. And as there was a shortage of jobs in market, I wasn't getting one. So I had to take a break and I was sitting at home. And in between I got pregnant and I delivered my first baby. So I was looking for more opportunities at that time, and then I encountered a company called Universities Nation who was providing remote job opportunities. After 1 year of working there, they also started calling people to office. But I was a new mother, I wasn't ready to join office physically. My daughter was very young. I didn't want to sacrifice my time with her. At that time, I realized if I continue to work through office, I would earn some lakhs more. But that isn't worth sacrificing my time with my daughter. Going office was not an issue. The office was in Noida. I was living in Bangalore. So at that time, what I was doing is wherever I could see a apply button, I would straight away go and hit that. I was applying jobs on LinkedIn, Naukri.com, IIM Jobs Portal. I don't think there is any platform which I have left. So it went on for months, but suddenly then I thought, no, this is not going to work, and I will only apply to the jobs where it is worth working for. So being a first time mom, I never wanted my daughter to be, sent to daycare. Mom guilt was there. So it was a major roadblock. From my previous companies, one of my colleagues suggested that there is an online platform called Simplilearn where you can just sit at home and you'll get to learn from the comfort of your home, and you can watch your daughter also. So I thought this is the perfect thing which, being a first time mom, I could have. My husband was very supportive in my entire journey. We used to work Monday to Friday, and then on Saturdays and Sundays we used to cook, we used to take care of the house, we used to take care of the kid. Due to some XYZ reason, if I couldn't attend the class, so then I used to ask for recordings, and Simplilearn used to provide me recordings immediately, and by watching videos I used to cop up with the class. I really had a great experience with Simplilearn, and my relationship manager Rajesh, he has been a very big support in my journey. Whenever I used to feel low down regarding my career, and he was very patient with me. He used to tell me ki sometimes you have to wait, everything will work out, everything will fall into place. I think those were the words which I really wanted to hear at that point of time. I had given a virtual interview for Juniper. Then they told me that I've been selected for face-to-face interview. Then came the day of interview. I was very nervous. I went for the interview. My legs were literally shaking. I was sitting in the meeting room. I was waiting for them to arrive. But on the contrary, they were very positive. Finally, I made it to Juniper Networks with a 50% salary hike. So I feel things can never be avoided. Difficult situations can never be ignored. They will keep on coming. But ultimately what matters is your patience. So whenever I face any situation, I tell myself, this too shall pass.